This is Sprayway glass cleaner. It's a foaming aerosol spray. This is one of those staples in my house I will always keep around. And there's three things I love about it. And stick around to the end because at the end I'll tell you one thing that I didn't love. What is it? It's foaming action. And I love that it's ammonia-free. It's a streak-free formula built to cut through fingerprints, dust, any that gets on your mirrors or windows or anything. It is so easy to clean with, and most glass cleaners leave streak on your windows or your mirrors. This one foams up. It clings to the surface, which I'll show you in just a second, and you wipe it down without any streaky residue. So who is it for? Pretty much anyone who wants clean glass mirror without having to go over it and over it. The three things I love about it: it's foamy, it foams up, and it just clings there. It's not streaking down, it's not moving anywhere, it's just staying there. It's really easy to control, especially on vertical surfaces or mirrors or windows. Living in an RV, I'm always thinking about what I'm spraying in such a small environment. This one has a clean, fresh scent without a harsh chemical smell. So three, it's streak-free. I've used other cleaners that claim to be streak-free, and they look clean when you're up close, and then you go back and it leaves streaks. So I like using a cloth with this, but you can use paper towel or anything that you normally would use. Look how nice that is. Hopefully you can tell. It does help cut through all of that grease and grime. This is my husband's bathroom, so it's our half bath, but he does get it dirty with all his shaving stuff and different things that he uses. The one thing that I didn't like, that I told you I would tell you, that I didn't love about it, I have my window or my door cracked open because it does have a pretty, it's not a horrible smell, but being in such a closed area, I like to ventilate when I'm cleaning. So no harsh chemicals in it, but I'd like to have some type of breeze coming through when I do clean with it. This is a staple in my house. I couldn't believe it the first time I used it. It was so simple, it's so easy, and it leaves your windows, your mirrors streak free and fast. I like it, and I think you'll like it too.